JPW was founded by my grandfather, John P. Wozniczka Sr. in 1953. My father graduated from Dean Junior College and ran my grandfather's shop for 3 years before he and my mom started JPW Riggers. My mother ran the office while my father ran the day-to-day. My brother and I, we started JPW Structural. Today we fabricate and erect structural steel buildings, miscellaneous stairs and iron. We're an ASME shop. We design, build pressure vessels and heat exchangers. We fabricate bridges, and we have a machining shop. As we started to grow and take on larger projects, it was hard to keep up with productivity needed to feed the job. So that's when we knew we needed to purchase a drill line to just put out more tonnage each week. Just recently we purchased a 4 machine combination with a 1250 BDL saw and drill, along with a PeddiWriter and a coping machine.
The Peddinghaus drill line is that's quite a piece of equipment. I'm not going to be able to hurt that thing, I don't think. So.
As we purchase more and more Peddinghaus equipment, we notice the production goes way up, and then we have to find other ways to speed up welding and fabrication and painting to keep up with the machinery. We noticed we are working at 4 to 5 times the pace with a lot less overtime on the sawing and drilling operation right now.
Well, we just recently got a saw that miters. That's huge in our business right now. That it cuts the time in half. The old band saw, actually, our blades would probably last 2 weeks, maybe 3 weeks. This one right here, I think I changed it about 2 months ago.
Because of the variety of work that we do here, we're noticing we can use a PeddiWriter for multiple things. Obviously, first and foremost is structural steel layout of complex columns, beams, but then we're also using it for stairs and railings. We're using it to lay out the stringers on our stairs, and we do a lot of stair towers with all the different buildings that we fabricate. That's cut our stringer time in less than half.
PeddiWriter, I see the benefits of how it's much easier for the fitters to actually put the parts on.
Recently, we've completed a couple projects that were close to 5,000 tons, and 15 years ago that would have been a dream without the equipment that we have from Peddinghaus now, and it's just allowing us to grow further and further in our industry. Our relationship with Peddinghaus couldn't be better. We deal with a lot of different manufacturers, from cranes to trucks to all the different machinery in our shop, and by far they provide the best service in the industry. JPW is a 3rd generation company, and we're a proud family business where all the family members take great pride in what they do, and every individual can actually perform the work that they're asking the people under them to do, and that's how we like to run our business, with more of a hands-on touch to everything that we do here.